Hello traders, welcome to my channel AM Trading Tips. Today I will share you best FX trading indicator for forex trading. This indicator will prove to be very helpful to those who are new to forex trading. So let's start the video. But those who come to this channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel first so that you can continue to get such updated videos in future also. Trading rules. When a light gray colored box appears on the chart, it is an alert that you have an opportunity to buy or sell trade here. When the gray color of the box turns dark, then you have to be ready to take the trade. According to the trade setup, you have to take the trade. That means if there are buy signals, then you will see 3 take profit level in the blue color on the upper side of the gray box, and stop loss will appear at the lower point of the gray box. In the opposite direction there will be sell signals level, but take profit level will appear in red color. Trade exit, you have to take trade setup box only when it is exhausted. Means you took trade, price goes up to first take profit level, only then trade setup box ends. Then only you have to take trade exit and not more have to wait till price goes second and third take profit level. If you do this, you may also lose. If I believe, I recommend you to take trade exit when the price reaches the first take profit level. By booking such small profits, you can earn big profits. You have to keep the candle time frame above 30 minutes, and the best trading time, as I always say, is the European sessions and the New York sessions. So, let's go ahead and look at some more trade setups. Okay, here the buy trade setup has been received, so let's see here, to which take profit level the price is going next. Here the price came back down slightly above the first take profit level and the trade setup box was also closed, and as I have already said, you have to close the trade by booking the first take profit. And the second to close the trade as soon as the trade setup box is exhausted. So here if you keep the trade going even after first take profit, then there would be loss. So if you believe me, do not fall into the trap of taking more profit, and it will be beneficial to end the trade by booking first take profit. Please watch video till end. I hope this indicator brings success for you. If you like this video, then like and share this video. Till then, happy trading. Thanks, bye bye, and see you again on next video.